Walking through the front door, it's time to make it my own. A fixer-upper gem, this house will be my home. 3 bedrooms and a fireplace, a kitchen that's so grand, on a large corner lot in the heart of this small town land. The floors might creak and the walls might need some paint, but I'll roll up my sleeves, no feat too great. With love and care, I'll make it shine at last, turning this old house into a dream from the past. Home, sweet home, a place where memories will grow. This old house, it's become my